The Belgrade Community Library Adult Crafternoon Take-Home Kit for the month of April is a hoop wreath. This program was made possible by the Peggy Novotny Memorial. The supplies needed are a metal hoop, floral wire, 4 eucalyptus leaves, 4 eucalyptus stems, 3 roses, wire cutters, and optional item would be a scissors. First, begin by laying out the eucalyptus leaves and stems, how you want them to look on the wreath. You may need to trim all the stems much shorter. I trimmed mine about 2 inches below where the leaves on each stem began. Begin by wrapping each stem individually onto the hoop using floral wire. Work around any leaves as you don't want them to lay flat against the hoop. Trim off any excess wire that is not needed. Once you have the first stem on, add the next stem where you want it to be and wrap it with the wire. You don't need to go super crazy with the wire, you just need it secured. When placing the stems in the opposite direction on the metal hoop, trim the stems or tuck any stems that are too long behind the stems that are already wired down. Repeat this process until you have all of the eucalyptus leaves and stems wired down onto the hoop. The roses will be added the same way. First, put a wire through the bottom of the flower where the stem would usually be, and bend the top of the wire in a little knot once it pops through the top of the flower. Once you've formed the knot, pull it back into the flower and wire it into place on the hoop. Use any leftover cut stems to tuck into any wire that may be showing. If you're worried about any wire scraping against a door or wall once you're ready to hang your wreath, you can cover it by hot gluing a little felt over the back. Thank you for joining the Belgrade Community Library Adult Crafternoon project.